What is crypto mining, and why is it so important? Crypto mining is the process that secures a blockchain and releases new coins into circulation. It's what underpins Bitcoin and other proof-of-work networks. Let's break it down. Miners run powerful computers that compete to solve a cryptographic puzzle. This involves hashing a block of transactions until the miner finds a special value, a nonce, that matches the network's difficulty target. The first miner to solve it gets to add the block to the blockchain and earns a block reward plus transaction fees. That reward is how new coins are created. But mining also keeps the network secure. As more miners join, the puzzle becomes harder, meaning attacks get exponentially more expensive. In the early days, Bitcoin could be mined using just a regular CPU or GPU. But today, specialized ASIC machines dominate the space due to immense competition. Most modern miners either run large-scale operations or join mining pools to combine resources and share rewards fairly. Mining remains profitable, but it comes with challenges: high hardware costs, steep electricity bills, and fluctuating crypto prices. And don't forget, mining uses a huge amount of energy. In fact, Bitcoin mining alone consumes roughly 15 gigawatts, on par with some small countries. As mining grows, so do environmental concerns. But innovations are emerging. Many miners now use renewable energy or capture excess heat. Some networks are turning to proof-of-stake, which doesn't require mining. But mining will continue to secure Bitcoin for years to come. Want a detailed guide with mining ROI tools and community links? Visit the full article at crypto101.com. This is Crypto 101, Crypto Simplified, Wealth Amplified.